Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to set someone's nickname on Messenger. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Messenger app. Now click on the chat of the person that you want to set a nickname. Click on the option that looks like I in the top right corner. Then click on Nicknames option. Here you can set yours as well as other person's nickname. Tap on Set Nickname option. Now remove the previous name and enter a new one. After you're done, tap on the Set option. And that is how you can set someone's nickname on Messenger. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.